What is up, guys? What is up? What is up, guys? What is up? Alright, let me pull up the chat here. Guys? Oh. Okay. So today we are getting the rest of our views and stuff ready for the next steps. Quick overview. Right here on the first view controller, I was at first going to be doing like learn Swift, like functions, variables, things like that. I've changed that. I'm just going to make some videos on it. This is going to be a bot, so you guys can come ask questions, and the bot will hopefully understand what you're asking, and if not, it will direct you in the right place for the answer to your question, because I've been getting a lot of questions and things like that, and I want to help you all, but my time constraints don't allow me to help all of you guys. But I mean, I do my best to help you guys. The second one, we are going to have helpful links, tip links. So you come here, maybe you're looking for a new app to make or something like that, and you tap on different articles and it's going to pop up in a web view with the article. This right here is going to be the YouTube channel with the tutorials, and then the final ones, I'm still not 100% sure, but it's going to be like quizzes, so you can test your learning capabilities in Swift. But in order to do all this stuff, we have to get a couple more things ready in order to make our next videos a little bit shorter. And first off, on the second view controller, this is the one that's going to have a collection view. We can actually, we just got to add like the view controllers and things up here, but we have to delete some too, and then I'm going to add like views that we need and stuff. Sorry here, I need to pull up the chat in case you guys are messaging me. Let's see, 192 subs. Thank you guys. You guys are the best fans, for real. Live stream. Alright, sweet. Oh, if you guys have any questions, just ask me. I can help you all out. Okay, so the first VC, you can delete that stuff. It doesn't even matter really. On here, we're just gonna add a collection view. So we can type that in here. Collection view. I haven't done a video using a collection view, so I guess this will be the first. And pin it 0, 0, 0, and then 20. Awesome. And this will be the cell, so we can make that bigger. We'll change the size on that and stuff. Let's add a UI image view. Okay. The image view will go in here. It's going to be like a quick preview of the tip from the internet, and then you tap on the cell, and like if you guys didn't know, things with images tend to like want you to click on them more. So if we put images on here, then you are more interested in the article, or you know more about it, so you want to read more. So that's why we got the image. We may make it bigger, we'll see. Well, why not, huh? But yeah, once you click on the cell, then it will direct you to the website with the article. Like, these articles aren't mine. They'll be someone else's, but I'll like give them credit and everything because you'll be on their website. Okay. And then this one, 0, 0. What is up? Yeah, I guess fixed height. Now, if you guys notice here, when I'm trying to pin the UI image view to the label, and it says 27. Well, the nearest would be the label, but it must be overlapping a little bit. So you kind of have to put it in between there, like a little bit above. See how it says 3, and then just change that to 0. And now it's constrained to the label. We can center the text here, and then black on white looks really bad. Design tip from Apple, so I'm turning that into dark gray. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, I won Apple Developer Scholarship. I'll be making a video on it here soon, so I'll be vlogging the trip and everything like that. It's not official. They put down my teacher's name. Like, you had to prove that you were still in school or something like that. So I put my teacher's name down, and then they emailed me on my account with my teacher's name on the ticket or something like that. So I'll figure out Monday what I have to do and all that stuff. But I mean, I did win, so it's pretty sweet. I can't wait. Hopefully you guys go. Like, I'd love to meet some of you guys. That'd be cool. So now we got that. You see it says second view controller. We can delete that. There's no need for that. Or first view controller. Move to trash. So new file. And CocoaTouch class. UI view controller. And what should we name this? This will be tips VC. Tip VC? I guess that's fine. Next. Oh, next. Create. So when I was learning to develop, and I was creating like new folders, new files or whatever, the best way I learned to figure it out, like these things down here, right? Objective-C file, of course, that's Objective-C. Header file, that's Objective-C. C file, I'm guessing that's Objective-C, and like all the ones on the bottom are like Objective-C, and the top ones are Swift. Playground, if you guys didn't know, for WWDC, you weren't supposed to be making an app, you're supposed to be making a playground. So I'm sure a lot of people got disqualified for that. But a playground's not really an app, it's like something you play with. Like if you have an iPad, they have Swift Playground's app that you can make stuff on, but you can't submit it to the App Store unless Apple's releasing something at WWDC where now you can do that, which would be super cool. Maybe that's why they had us submit playgrounds instead. And then a Swift file, that'd be like more a data model type stuff. But CocoaTouch class, that's like classes that are pre-built so you don't have to type in all the code. View controller, table view cell, different classes like that. I mean, the subclass, I mean, here's all the different ones that you can do. So there's a lot of them. It's just leaves you with less code. I mean, you can hard code it, but it takes less time using those. So we got to VC. Now we need to create the next one. Wait a second. Okay, so I don't want to show how I'm making the bot because that wouldn't really be cool, because that's gonna be like the special thing about my app. Excuse me. So I'm not gonna be showing the first view controller. That'll be like more of a surprise type deal when you download the app. It'll be super cool. My artificial intelligence, all that stuff. But I'm gonna be showing you a second VC. I already showed you guys that one, and then the third one. I'll probably show you guys parts of it. I don't know how hard that's gonna be. It may take a while. I would like to show you guys, so that'd be cool. But the first one I'm not really gonna do on stream because a bot, it's not really like, it's more complex and not too easy to show on stream, or at least it wouldn't be entertaining. We gotta set up the class up here. So it was at second view controller. We can delete that and change it to tip VC. And then on the first one, you can just completely delete that. You guys can do whatever you want with this stuff. These are just more like cool things that you'll learn. Excuse me. And then on the last one, we're gonna throw in a UI table view, and it's gonna have like names of the quizzes. and then you just tap on the quiz, and it'll take you to a new view controller, and then you can take the quiz on the new view controller. Okay, so let's pin this 0, 0, 0, 0. I pinned it 0 because the power bar is at the top, and of course we don't want to cover the power bar unless you hide it, I guess. And then we throw in a table view cell, and then a new view controller. Throw that right there. Excuse me. And if you right click from this view controller to the next one, drop, show, now we have a segue. And the same deal on this one. Okay. Right click and drag, show. Now, on the second one, basically, when they click on the tip, then it's going to take them to the web site. That's going to show them the tip, and then they can go back at the top, or they can go back and forth within the web view, kind of like right here. Okay. And next Saturday, I'm doing a live stream Saturday. I know it's kind of like, live stream, but it's kind of cool. I actually like live streams. I know it's kind of boring because there's like no music or anything. I've been trying to figure out how to do that. I know there's probably some tutorial somewhere, but I'll get music here soon, and then these live streams will be awesome. But in the next one, I'm going to be showing you guys this section. I'm not going to be showing a Firebase setup because this is more like a personal app. I'm actually going to be putting it on the App Store, and I don't want to leak any important information because it is live. But I'll be showing you guys how to basically make the table view cell and all that stuff. And then it's going to have the... when I click on it, it's going to go to the web view. We'll do that in the next video. And then the quizzes in the last one of this series. And then we'll be doing something else, some cool new tutorial live for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this live stream, please give it a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you guys Thursday when I release my next video on the messaging app series. If you haven't watched it already, watch episode 1 of the series. That's gonna be a pretty cool app, especially for your resume, or if you haven't done the social media app, that one's pretty cool too. But thank you guys for watching. The real fans are on the stream. Can I see the final product, please? The final product has not been made. I'm making it live for you guys, so I mean, you'll see it when we finish. Actually, you guys won't even see it till it's on the App Store, but I mean, you'll see the majority of it. Hey, what is up, chillin' Josh? Oh yeah, what's up? I helped you with something recently, I think. Chillin' Josh, maybe not. Chillin' with Josh, sorry, my bad. You got any questions, guys? Before I leave? Nope. I know it's kind of delayed, so I'll wait a little bit here. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. How many years have you been coding? I've been coding for not quite a full year. I know Swift, Objective-C, JavaScript, C Sharp. Yeah. You did give me advice on how to learn coding. Oh, okay. That was you. Awesome. Sweet. Hopefully it was good advice. Yeah. Alright, guys. Well, if you have any questions, you guys can ask me. Got Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or you can leave a comment below. And if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. and you guys are the real fans for watching. Thank you guys. See you on Thursday. What's the purpose of this app? It's to help people learn how to code in Swift. I'm not doing any other languages on this app, just Swift. But that's the purpose, yeah. It'd be cool. And the bot's gonna make it, like, that's gonna be the real reason to download it. What's the best language? That's a good question. For coding. English is the best language. I personally think Swift is. Some people will go see ya. Some people say, like, other languages. I don't know, HTML, a lot of people start out with. I don't like HTML. Swift is, like, the easiest language to learn. Maybe that's because it was my first language. But I love Swift. It's simple. It's not complex. Like JavaScript, you can type stuff that's incorrect, and the code still runs. So you can have it up on your website or something, and it crashes because you had bad code, but you couldn't figure it out at runtime. So it's not type safe. Swift, it is. It's Apple. I love Apple. It's fun. I don't know. I just like Swift. Java, not JavaScript, but Java. I mean, it's okay. It's not as easy to learn as Swift. So if it's like your first language, definitely do Swift. And then I'd say Objective-C, because you learn a lot about Swift with Objective-C. And then from Objective-C, I went on to Java, and then I went to JavaScript, and then C#. And once you guys learn like one language, the rest of the languages are super easy to learn because they're all built on like the same foundation. They'll have function variables. When are you posting next? Every Thursday I post new videos. The next one will be about messaging, or the Messenger app. Excuse me. So yeah, every Thursday I post a new video, and then Saturdays I'm doing live streams from now on. I'm thinking about doing another series type deal, where I tell you guys like important things like languages to learn, why do this, what's better, stuff like that. Not coding, but like giving you guys good information. But that hasn't come out quite yet. And then of course I'll be vlogging when I go to WWDC. I don't know how much I'll be able to record inside WWDC, but it should be fun. We're staying at San Jose's University, so that should be fun. We're staying in the dorms. It'll be lit. Alright guys, well I'm gonna head off. Thanks for commenting, asking me questions. It was actually the first time I've had like real You should, after this, make a social media series and give advice and tips. I did make a social media series, if that's what you mean. But yeah, I'm totally giving advice and tips. Just got to get time to record those videos. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Alright guys, have a good one. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you guys are the bombs.